beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's Lizzie Atkins here as always, and I'm back with another bang. Today is yet another Gele tutorial. I'm still here, yes. So today we're using Segele, but this is a much softer Segele. This is less, it's not more like, it's not the paper like Segele. It's more of the softer materials on the softer side. So again, today's one, we are gonna split it into half, right? And it is a 50-50 measurement. We are starting from the back with this one. So start from behind. We come forwards. Gosh, I have to scream because it's really loud. Come forward and we have to cross it over. Once we have our crossover, we have to get the pin. Sorry guys, I'm screaming, literally screaming. Well, you want to make sure it's tight first. And once you hold that, you just want to get your pin and secure it in place. Once it's secure and in place, as you can see, then now you can actually turn it over. Making sure the bent side, it's the outer part of the ends are at the back. You've got the front. And then the same on this side as well. So you brought that like that, and you want to again pin this just to make sure, and just make sure it does not move. You're trying to secure it as much as you can. This Gele, it don't move, and just be careful to not pin yourself. This is why my hand is in there as a guide, so you don't hurt yourself. So that is already secured. And then you want to come around and right here I'm gonna tie as much as I want. So I'm bringing it over and I'm knotting this one. I'm bringing this in. So that was a double knot. So I knot that, and you want to make that super tight. So I got that tight, and then look at that. Make sure your Gele is not falling apart like mine. Anyways, and then you come here. You've got this over here, and I'm actually just gonna pin that with this side. So I open this up and I'm joining it in with that side over here, because I'm gonna have this like so. So that, and I'm going to pin it.
season
Okay, and then I'm bringing this. So I'm opening this up, and then like the other one, I'm just going to fold it in. There, so I'll fold it in, and then I have to pin it like the other one. In this, bring this, obviously you don't want this flying around. The same thing, bring it around. And you pin that down. Pin this, sorry, let me turn around for you guys. And here we are. And there we are. We have got the V. I'm gonna move it slightly back a bit. And that is it, guys. Oh, wait. Make sure you tuck it soon. Ha! Ha ha. Hold on a sec. Okay, you get this. And make sure the back is covered. Except when your hair's sticking out, that's fine. But for something like this, you pin that down. 360. Another 360. So I do hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have any style for me, do not forget to tag me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, or you can leave the comment down on this video. For now, remain blessed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Let us do this again. Yes, we are back again. I am a star. They won't kill my shine. I wanna know.